Are you looking for a salon tray cart that combines durability, stability, and flexibility all in one? Look no further than the FLOLXNB Salon Tray Cart Premium Aluminum Tattoo Tray Rolling Trolley. Crafted from food-grade aluminum alloy, this cart is not only sturdy and durable but also resistant to corrosion and high temperatures, ensuring longevity and easy maintenance. What sets this salon tray cart apart is its stable large base plate. With a top plate that's generously sized and a 5-star large base plate measuring 17.71 inches, this cart offers unparalleled stability, reducing the risk of toppling even during busy salon hours. Whether you're a hairstylist, tattoo artist, dentist, or spa professional, this heavy-duty cart is designed to meet the demands of any professional salon environment. One of the standout features of this cart is its free height adjustment capability. Thanks to the tension knob on the pedestal, you can easily adjust the height from 27.5 inches to 43.3 inches, ensuring optimal comfort and convenience for all your tasks. Maneuvering this cart around your salon is a breeze, thanks to its flexible casters. The high-quality wheels rotate 360 degrees, allowing for smooth movement and easy navigation around your workspace. Whether you're working on a client's hair, performing a tattoo, or providing spa treatments, this rolling hair tray ensures ultimate mobility and flexibility. Versatility is another key aspect of the FLOLXNB Salon Tray Cart. It can be used as a hairdresser cart organizer, a dentist tray, a tattoo workstation cart, a spa trolley, or a beauty salon rolling trolley, catering to a wide range of professional needs. With dimensions of 12.99 inches in diameter, 17.71 inches in width, and adjustable height ranging from 27.55 inches to 43.3 inches. This cart offers ample space for storing your tools and equipment, while remaining compact enough to fit seamlessly into any salon layout. Overall, the FLOLXNB Salon Tray Cart Premium Aluminum Tattoo Tray Rolling Trolley is a game-changer for salon professionals seeking reliability, functionality, and durability in their workspace. Invest in this versatile cart and elevate your salon experience today. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.